In this video, you are going to see how to install the Saber plugin for free on MacBooks. So follow along with the tutorial without skipping any part to avoid confusion and errors. First, open any browser and go to this website. This is how it looks. Next, scroll a bit and on the right side, you will see the Download Saber for Mac option. Click on it to download the file. Once the file is downloaded, double press on it to extract it. Now, click on the extracted file so that a new disk will be created like this. Now again, double press on it and give all the necessary permissions. Next, you can select for which version of After Effects you want to install it. Then install it. Once the installation is completed, you can unmount the disk that was created. Now open After Effects. If in case it was already opened during the installation process, make sure to close it and reopen it again. Next, go to the effects panel and search for Saber. As you can see, it is showing. Now drag and drop it onto the layer and customize it. That's it guys. This is how you can install the Saber plugin for free on a MacBook perfectly. Like and share this video so that you are also joining hands in helping other people. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos.